If you just come for the meetup, for instance, we learn some cool art things, then you just go home and not do anything. There's no way you're going to grow your skills. So like anything you want to do in your life, you have to practice every other time. Whenever you install R, it's called the base R. But then if you want to extend R's functionality, you can use some packages that have been developed by some very good people. So the packages are stored in some repository. So the first thing you need to know is like, which package do I need? So like in this case, we are going to use a package called deployer, another package called par, another one called read excel. So you have to install them first in R using the function install packages, and then in brackets the package name. So being a data analyst or data scientist is not just about coding, writing cool queries, cool scripts. You also need to be able to communicate your results to the audience. For instance, you need to meet with the stakeholder, understand their problem, then you need to formulate like, how am I going to answer this problem that they're having at the moment. Growing your skills in anything, whether R, Python, or whatever, you have to practice. You have to take the initiative to do the learning.
Today's event was a continuation of the previous code Maktaba that was data wrangling in R. So we didn't have enough time last time to finish some of the modules that we were covering. So today we were finishing those particular modules.
I learned about the R workflow, how to get the data sets, work through them, import them, experiment with them, and most importantly, how to follow through with your workflow. I also learned about Git, something interesting that I learned today, how to commit my work to Git and also share my scripts.
This is my first time to come to AI Kenya and I'm so overwhelmed. I love everything in this place. I love the learning. I love the teachings. These are things you're not taught in school.
It was a very interesting experience to get to learn more about R, especially the part of loops, and which enable you to minimize the time you spend writing the codes over and over again. For me, the initiative for AI Kenya to do the meetups, even for free, it was a very good experience, considering you get to learn more and you get to interact with other people.
Everyone interested with data and data science, this is a place to be. Come through anytime we have the next meetup.
So you can get involved in Code Maktaba events, first of all, by joining our meetup page, and then you'll be notified anytime there's an event. And then you can also check out the previous Code Maktaba events that we have recorded and that we have posted on our YouTube and Facebook groups. And then we have our Telegram group and Facebook groups where you can discuss with other people on different topics that you would like to be highlighted in the next Code Maktaba events.
Code Maktaba.